Okay guys, I want to do a quick video today where I show you how to disassemble and reassemble a Haier, I'm not sure how you say it, remote control. This is for a window AC unit. I think these remotes may be used for other things also, but mine was for a window unit. So here is the unit or the thing. On the back here, I'll show you when I flip it here. You'll see the hardest part probably was getting the battery out of it. So you have to remove the screw, and you can see there's the screw, and you need a small screwdriver. I recommend getting one of these multi-way ones. It has a bunch of different tips on it, so you can do that. And once you get the battery removed, then there's a little clip on the side of this that you have to depress inward, and then you're able to pull it out. The battery just comes out, it's two parts. It's just a little carrier. And then to get the actual remote apart, that was the tricky part. Around the edge here, there's actually, it's kind of glued in a little bit. And to get it open, the pro tip here is going to be that when you're holding it upside down, you actually take this screwdriver and you put it in here and you press it outward. Once you've done that, once you've pressed this from the back section outward, then it'll pop up on this front edge. And once you've done that, then you can just put something in the edge, either a plastic piece or you can use that screwdriver, whatever. Just work your way around and then boom, it'll pop out. And you can see here, I just let mine, the water, it had already started to rust after just like one day. I wish my son had dropped it in his drink of water or his cup of water. I wish he had told me a little sooner, but anyways. So it is right here, and you can see this is where the battery goes, right here. And it goes facing down once it's mounted inside. And I dried mine out, by the way, and spoiler alert, it works after it's dried out. So these look like they're pretty sealed pretty good, so I'm guessing that probably just drying it out where the battery contacts were is probably what fixed it. But you can see there's the contact for this, and that is like moves, it's wiggly. So if you want to test it while it's open, all you have to do is do this, hold the battery on it, press it against that, and then you can press the buttons on the front side and you'll see where it'll start working your device. To put it back together, obviously you just stick that out there. You're just going to put it down like that. You're going to put it down like that, and then just put it on top, and then just mush it in, and it'll go back to being fairly well sealed. And then just reinstall your battery, and you will have your you'll have your remote control back in business, hopefully. If not, I'll post a couple links down in the bottom to some Amazon links or eBay links. There's actually replacements available for these fairly cheap. And there's actually, because they're kind of a super simplistic, there's some really cool remotes that do the same function, and they work with a ton of different AC units. And they actually have a cool little like display on it that will display the temperature and stuff like that. And they're just a couple bucks more, so pretty neat. Anyways, that's how you fix one of these Haier remotes. And anyways, if you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments. As always, like and subscribe.